Welcome to Quantivo Academy. Today I am going to start a chapter called Number System. In these number system I am starting with multiplication techniques. The very first multiplication technique is multiplication by 5, 25, 125, so on. So the question we have is we have to multiply 185 by 5. Before multiplying this, let's learn something. What we have to learn, we have to learn is we can write 5 as 5 power of 1, right? Now 25 as 5 power of 2, 125 as 5 power of 3, 625 as 5 power of 4. Now in the given question the power to the 5 is 1. So what we have to do is we have to associate as many as zeros at the end of the given number as there is the power to 5. The given number in the question is 185. 185, the very first step, this is the first step we have to do, that is 185, and we have to associate as many as zeros to the power of 5. That is, we have what we have here, power of 5 is 1, so we have to put 0 at the last of the given number. Then the next step what we have to do is divide the resultant number. This is the resultant number. Divide the resultant number by 2 as many times as there is a power to 5. So here the power to the 5 is 1. So we have to divide the resultant number with only 2. So now the multiplication is 2 ones, 2 nines, 2 twos, 2 fives. So the multiplication of 185 into 5 is 925. Now let's take one more example, that is we have to multiply 369 by 125. As I already said you, we can write 125 as 5 power of 3. So 369 into 5 power of 3. So very first step what we have to do, we have to associate as many as zeros at the end of the given number as there is power to 5. So now the given number is 369. How many zeros we have to put after the given number? What is the power? Here the power to the 5 is 3. So we have to put 3 zeros after the given number. Then we have to, the next step what we have to do, the next step is divide the resultant number by 2 as many times as there is power to 5. Now what is the power of 5? That is 3. So we have to divide in the next step. In the second step what we have to do, we have to divide the resultant number by 3 times with 2. Now when I divide these number, that is 369,000 by 8, the answer will be 46125.